This is FORMcard, a pocket-sized card of meltable, bio-based thermoplastic that you can use to make, mend and modify the world around you. FORMcard helps people find little solutions to everyday problems wherever and whenever they might pop up. It's reusable and even helps you mend broken plastic objects rather than putting them into landfill. Hi, I'm Peter Marigold, a designer and maker and the creator of FORMcard. I launched FORMcard 10 years ago right here on Kickstarter, which was an incredible experience, and so after all this time, I'm back here again. I wanted to make a product that was for people like me that like fixing things, and using Kickstarter to simply show an idea to the world and then connect with thousands of like-minded people was the best kind of product testing I could imagine. Eventually, I launched it as a business, supplying FORMcards to customers all over the world, including some of the most prestigious museums, galleries and shops. But the best part of the story for me was always the original Kickstarter campaign, and I thought it would be a great way to celebrate this 10-year anniversary by launching another little campaign for it here with a small handmade souvenir object. I live near Hampstead Heath, and in the summer, I often find broken pairs of sunglasses dotted around the park, abandoned by happy visitors. I decided it would be fun to take the lenses from these and make 100 pairs of new handmade sunglasses, breathing new life into old objects. Each pair will be totally unique, handmade, wobbly, but also functional. As I work my way through the series, my technique will improve, and I'll perhaps add further embellishments and variations to make them more and more different. I'm not sure yet, but I'll number each one as they're made so that you know where in the edition it was. So, that's what I want to make. 100 pairs of sunglasses. I hope you like them, and thanks for watching.